Welcome to Frequency Matters, the Hour for Microwave Update series. I'm Pat Hindle, and I'm here with my co-host Eric Heim. In this episode, we're going to take a look at our big IMS 5G 6G themed issue for May. This is our biggest issue of the year with more than 200 pages, and it has extra distribution at the IMS event, including the delegate bags and the publication bins. It's packed with great technical articles and, of course, information about the IEEE MTTS IMS event taking place June 11th through the 16th in San Diego. So we have some welcome messages from the chairs of each conference, so that's the IMS, RFIC, and RFTAG, plus there's information on the exhibition. And our cover story is written by authors from Roda and Schwartz, and it's on terahertz generation and analysis with electronic and photonic technologies. And this is a great overview of the various technologies that are available in the area of terahertz. Eric, what do we have for technical features?
Thanks, Pat. Lots of features in this issue that cover a wide range of interesting topics. We have Nokiwave discussing the convergence and coexistence of terrestrial and non-terrestrial networks and some of the megatrends that they see for 5G and beyond. We've also got an article from Pasternak that addresses the challenges that 5G presents for DAS, distributed antenna systems, and the likely evolution of that architecture to provide solutions to those challenges, along with how DAS will start to incorporate millimeter wave bands. And I'm only skimming the surface with those two. There are too many articles to mention, so please make sure you dig into that issue.
Turning to the news, there were many collaborations that I saw to accelerate the development of RF and millimeter wave designs for high reliability. Synopsys, Ansys, and Keysight Technologies announced the availability of a new 79 gigahertz millimeter wave RF reference design flow, and that's for the TSMC 16 nanometer FinFET compact technology. Picocom and Icana announced that they have a new strategic partnership, and they're going to leverage their respective capabilities to jointly develop a 5G Open RAN small cell radio unit reference design. The combination of Picocom's digital pre-distortion technology and Icana's DPD-friendly power amplifiers will provide an efficient solution with reduced power consumption, complexity, size, and cost. And we also had Keysight Technologies in collaboration with the National Physical Laboratory and the University of Surrey, and they've made the first 6G connection at speeds greater than 100 gigabits per second over sub-terahertz frequencies in the UK. This demonstration was built at 300 gigahertz and used both 32 and 64 QAM, and it's built on Keysight Technologies' 6G sub-terahertz R&D test bed, so that uses their arbitrary waveform generator, and it's combined with Virginia diodes up and down converters to generate the signal, and then they use the Keysight multi-channel 70 gigahertz oscilloscope to analyze the signal. So great accomplishment there. We also saw that Gapwaves made a strategic investment with SenseRad, and that's a recent spin-off that offers a unique 4D imaging radar sensor chip based on sophisticated software and hardware that includes the radar chipset from Arby. And finally, RFMW announced the closing of its acquisition of MRC Gigacomp and MRC Components in Germany, and this will add the MRC Components to its power management offerings and the MRC Gigacomp products to the RF and microwave portfolio. So that was a lot on my side. How about you, Eric?
Well, on the market side of things, Mobile Experts released a report with technical analysis and market forecasts that outlines their view of the future for 5G millimeter wave networks, smartphones, and fixed wireless access. So definite growth in that area, and the report looks to add some clarity to a segment that's still a bit murky. We also highlighted a report from Yole Intelligence addressing automotive radar opportunities, and they've got some good insights and forecasts on that whole suite of automotive radars.
So turning to events, all eyes are on IMS June 11th through the 16th. So IMS is co-located with the RFIC Symposium and the RFTAG Microwave Measurement Conference. And also this year, they're co-locating with the IEEE Women in Microwaves International Leadership Conference. The RFIC starts on Sunday and goes to Tuesday. Then the IMS kicks off Monday evening with the plenary session, and that will be given by Ed Godshock, and he's from George Fox University, and he'll be talking about the role of transmission lines in connecting people, and that's followed by the welcome reception. The IMS conference goes from Tuesday to Thursday, and we have the RFTAG sessions on Friday. There are also workshops, panels, special social events such as the Women in Microwaves and Young Professionals, and both of these are on Tuesday evening. Then there are 3 boot camps, Quantum and Artificial Intelligence Machine Learning on Sunday, and the RF Boot Camp on Monday. Also, don't miss the Connected Futures Summit when that's on Tuesday. Eric, how about the exhibition?
Well, on the exhibition side, there are already about 540 exhibiting companies signed up. The floor plan can be seen online, so you can plan your visit to companies you're interested in exploring. And as we all know, the most interesting meetings often happen by bumping into someone on the exhibition floor, either an old colleague or just a chance meeting with someone you've never met. There's an industry reception on Wednesday from 5 to 6 with refreshments on the exhibition floor. And there are also industry workshops and micro app sessions on the exhibition floor. A new addition this year is an executive forum in the micro apps theater with company executives from ADI, Qorvo, Qualcomm, Rohde & Schwartz, and Keysight. And we'll be discussing the latest trends in technology. So please go to IMS-IEEE.org and register for IMS. It's going to be a good one. And that wraps up this episode. Our sponsor is RFMW, a technical distributor of RF and microwave products, and now power management as well. When you start your next design, consider their multiple product lines. Also, please remember that as a member of the industry, a subscription to Microwave Journal is free, so visit our website and subscribe today if you're not already a reader. And with that, thanks for watching, and please join us next time for another Frequency Matters.